If you are learning AI by watching random videos, stop. You are wasting your time. Here is the roadmap I wish someone had given me when I started. First, master Python fundamentals. Learn function, OOPs, data structure, exception handling, API, and JSONs. Every major AI project is built around Python. Next, we can go for LLM fundamentals, where we can learn transformer, token, embedding, context windows, and prompt engineering works. If we think how an LLM thinks, we will be able to give the better prompt to LLM and we can create better AI applications. Next, we can go for MCP, that is Model Context Protocol. It's becoming a standard way for AI to connect with tools, databases, files, and external application. It's like a USB-C for AI. Moving to the AI agents, AI can remember information, plan tasks, reason through problems, and use the tools to solve the complex work automatically. Next, we can go for RAG. RAG let AI search your own document and use that information to generate more accurate responses. Okay, agent framework. Learning the agent framework like LangChain, LangGraph, and Crew AI. These frameworks make it more easier to build and manage the AI workflows. Coming to the next is multi-agent system. Here, uh, we can see how multiple agents are working and collaborating to solve complex problems or complex tasks. And now finally, we can create few good and projects that can add value to our resume, like chatbots, research agents, coding agents, production system. Coming days, I will be covering each and every topics in detail.